When it comes to exhaust, we get two questions all the time. Which system sounds the best and which system is the loudest? Well, whatever sounds the best is going to be very subjective. But when it comes to loud, there's definitely a couple systems that do that, and today's install from MBRP is going to be one of them. So we know our customers love loud. We got Jason here from MBRP. Tell us about the system you brought today.
Yeah, thanks, Bill. So this is our race kit for the 18 to 21 Mustang with the black coated quad tips. We have kits for kind of every sound level. This is definitely going to be one of our louder ones, and I think it's going to sound great on this car.
So this system doesn't have a true muffler. So a lot of people have been asking about what this design is. It's a little bit different.
Yeah, so on this kit we actually used Helmholtz resonators to kind of tune the sound without using a muffler, but still making it sound aggressive and without too much raspiness.
So this will give you that deep tone, but a lot of volume to go along with it.
There's definitely going to be some volume, but we still tuned it to still sound good in the car at the same time.
And obviously still legal.
Absolutely. Yeah. MBRP is an emissions legal exhaust company, so everything we offer is legal.
Perfect. We had an aftermarket exhaust on Smoke Show, so we already removed it. So Jason, what's the first step in installing the system from MBRP?
Yeah, absolutely. First step is we're going to actually install the H-pipe here after the cats. We'll get started with that. Next, we pre-install our clamp onto the H-pipe. Slide the OE hanger onto our new pipe. And slip it into place. For now, we're just going to loosely put our bolt in. Keep everything loose for now. We'll go back later and snug everything up. Now we're going to install our resonator. Once again, we pre-install our clamp and slide it into place. Again, putting it first into the OE hanger, and then sliding it over our pipe. Once again, we'll snug our clamp. Later, we'll go back down and tighten everything up. Our next step, slide our tips on. Later, we'll go back and adjust everything to make sure everything's exactly in the place we want it. For now, we're just gonna slide them on, and we'll tighten everything down later. Next, we go back through, do the exact same thing on the opposite side, tighten our clamps down. Let's get this thing lowered and fire it up now.
All right, it's fired up. So Jason, the race is advertised. It is loud.
Hey, we designed this kit to be loud, but still sound great.
Now, is it available? This is black tip, is also available, I believe, in a polished.
Yeah, you can get this with black, or if you prefer a polished tip as well.
Installation, typical catback. Give yourself about an hour or so, and I know you're dying to say it.
We'll have you back on the road in no time.